I love the hustle. Yeah, I love the hustle.
Alright guys, so now we're going to move on to the mango salsa. So we're going to add 1 cup of mangoes into the bowl. And then 3/4 cups of nectarines, just for a little extra sweetness. And now we're moving to jalapenos. The thing about the jalapenos, you have to make sure that you remove all the seeds out of it because the jerk seasoning gets really spicy. And so if you leave the seasoner, your mouth's going to be on fire. And this is 1/4 of a cup of jalapenos. A quick little mix here. Alright. And 1 tablespoon of lime juice, freshly squeezed. Alright. Almost done with the mango salsa. So now we're going to add the fresh cilantro, which is roughly like 1/8 of a cup. Just dump all that in. Alright, and now that that's all mixed, we're going to put just a dash of salt and pepper just for taste. There we go. And you can always add more or less, it depends on like your taste buds. So just don't go too crazy or it's going to mess up the whole dish, alright? Voila, mango salsa. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into our jerk cauliflower mixture. So the jerk seasoning that I use, I got it from Amazon, and it's the Walkerswood Traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning. I use mild for this dish, but typically I like to do the hot one, but it's up to you, whatever you want to do. If you want it spicy, just a little bit of kick, whatever. So in this mixture, I have 2 cups of cauliflower that's grounded and 1/2 cup of red pepper. And when I made the dish, I mixed the red peppers and the cauliflower together. I added 2 tablespoons of this jerk seasoning, and I would say probably just a teaspoon of fresh lime juice, just to like get it a little wet so it can marinate for 30 minutes so you can get the proper flavors. And yeah, that's the meat of the tacos. So now we're about to go to actually making the tacos.